Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Grater cake, and for this recipe I'm using white sugar almond flavoring, shredded coconut water, red food coloring, cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. First I'll crack open the coconut shell, then I'll remove the flesh from the shell using a dull knife, and I will now use a sharp knife to remove the dark portion of the coconut. You want to make sure that it's very white. There you have it, and wash and shred. In the early days, the coconut was grated, hence the name Grater cake. Now pour 2 cups of white sugar into a saucepan, add a 1/4 cup of water, stir those over a medium to low flame. Now add the shredded coconut and stir with the rest of the ingredients. Continue heating that, and then add the almond flavoring, cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. You're going to heat that over a medium flame until you get to a soft dropping consistency, and you can test the mixture to see if it's got to the soft dropping consistency by using ice cold water. Place a small portion into ice cold water, look at it, it's now ready, and turn off the flame. Remove it from the stove. Remove a portion that will turn into pink. Now quickly pour that into any container you want, but here I'm using a greased muffin tin. Continue doing that until you've used up all of the white. Now let's prepare the pink portion. I'm using 2 drops of red food coloring, and I'll stir that into the sugar mixture, and then drop the pink on top of the white, hence the name pink pan top. You'll have to work very quickly, so oops, the mixture is now too cold, and so it has to be reheated. Add a small amount of water to the mixture, and here I'm adding 4 teaspoons of water. I'm going to put that back on the flame to reheat, and once it's done, then remove that from the flame, and it's now time to drop the pink on top of the white. Continue doing that until you have used up all of the mixture. Now the pink pan top is ready. Allow it to cool completely before removing it from the muffin tin, and once you've removed all of that, then you have a beautiful snack called Grater cake or pink pan top. Almost all of the snacks were homemade when I was growing up, and this was one of them. You can also eat them when your blood sugar gets extremely low. Very good as a picker upper. This video is dedicated to Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.